How to log in to my Milestone card. Welcome to Let Me Help, and let's get right into this tutorial. For this, you need to launch a preferred browser on your device. Then search for Milestone Credit Card or just search for Milestone Login. Select on the suggestion, that is Milestone Card. Apply quickly and easily. From the web page, if you have not applied for a Milestone card, you can easily apply for it as well. If you already have one, just go ahead and select on My Account. To log in, firstly, you need to enter your username, then enter your password. Select on the Login button to log in into your Milestone account. In the case of forgotten user ID or password, tap on Forgot your username or password. Follow the instruction provided by the Milestone Help and Support. If not, you can check out the help and support or customer service of Milestone regarding login issues as well. By that way, you will be able to log into your Milestone credit card easily. That's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.